Imagine a world where survival means mastering the art of extreme adaptations. Take the wood frog, for instance. It freezes solid in winter, only to thaw out and hop away come spring. Then there's the horned lizard, which can squirt blood from its eyes. Talk about a shocking defense mechanism. Tardigrades are the ultimate survivors, enduring everything from extreme heat to the vacuum of space by simply drying out. And let's not forget the archerfish, which can accurately spit water to knock down insects mid-flight. Basilisk lizards have their own trick, running across water to escape predators, nature's very own superhero. Meanwhile, bombardier beetles unleash boiling chemicals on attackers, a fiery defense that's hard to forget. And sea cucumbers? They eject their guts to distract predators, only to regenerate them later. These incredible creatures showcase the astonishing lengths life will go to in order to survive in extreme environments.